Hi guys, so today we're gonna eat fries. Here. There are only a few more because I ate it all. Okay, let's start. Wait. Mukbang. Look at this. Yum. I like the salty ones. I most like the salty ones because these fries don't have salt. Okay. I'm gonna buy something. Never mind, guys. Let's just eat fries. And let's watch TV. Okay, so wait. I'm gonna turn on the TV. Okay. Let's turn it on. Lakas, turn it on. Big guy. You're taking some room. I'm gonna get some water. I'm back! Guys, if you're from Philippines, watch this video because I'm gonna speak Tagalog pala. So, guys, kung meron kayo mga na binili ko sa Gold, pangalan ko pala, si Cassie, at yung age ko, and there's at yung, ano siya? Okay, muna natin. Let's watch. Okay na yung volume. Buksan na natin. Lasang Sprite. Bakit white? Ay, oo nga, may Peter. Sorry, wait lang, ano yung channel. So, ito yung favorite ko. Si Funny yung... Ano, palisin ko lang yung Peter. Ay, ko din yung Peter. Back. Sarap. This one. Ay, di pala. Okay, bye guys. Love you.